Hi guys, it's CrownedK here. So today we'll be trying on OH's Nisha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wigs. I have 3 styles, guys. Like this line, it says, say it's all mine. Go ahead and say it's all yours and they'll believe you. This line, guys, looks soft and natural, just like your own gorgeous natural hair on your best hair day. Soft textures with the just left the salon look. Body movement paired with a lace front for a complete protective style. Guys, these wigs are like amazing. The first one that I'm gonna show you is the Nisha 201, and I have the color DRFF2/cinnamon spice. It comes in, you know, the packaging, and it has a mesh. Guys, I was blown away by the color. The color is beautiful. The lace closure looks great, and guys, it has 3 combs, 2 at the top, 1 in the back, and it has adjustable straps, so it's definitely big head friendly. And guys, all I did was cut the excess lace off, and that's it. Like, this wig is ready to go. This wig is so beautiful, guys. The color is amazing. It feels great and it looks great. It literally looks like a natural hair, guys. Like you got a fresh silk press done. And I love the layers in it. Like, the layers are cut really good and it frames the face. It's amazing. I love it, like, period. Yes, boo, I love this one. And this wig comes in many different styles, like different colors, sorry. So it has many colors you could try. And then, guys, for the next wig, it's the Nisha 202, and I have the color Sunkissed Brown. Well, it's DRFF Sunkissed Brown, and guys, Sunkissed Brown looks amazing. Like, this is like a Beyonce wig. I love how the colors are blended. They look beautiful. I'm in love with the curls, and guys, I was just like cheesing, like, yes hunty, like, we're slaying, we're serving. I love this wig. And guys, all I did was cut the lace off. I didn't have to do any extra work. OH really did their thing on this wig. It's just a quick rundown on the key features of the Nisha wigs. Is high heat resistant fiber, naturalistic texture and volume. It's pre-plucked, a Swiss lace, easy to wear, and it's a complete protective style. Like, as you can see, like, it's a protective style that's so easy. I did no work. All I did was take it out of the package and remove the lace. And guys, this third wig is the Nisha 203. This is a longer unit, and I got it in the color S430, which I think is beautiful. It's a more natural color. Like, the 30 is more to the back, so it's like a more everyday natural color. It comes in a lot of other vibrant color, guys, so if you want something more poppin', you could definitely get that. Guys, I'm in love with this whole Nisha line. Like, it's amazing. It just looks really nice and natural. Like, this is hair goals, guys. Like, this is my natural hair goals. Like, when I get a blowout, this is how amazing I want my hair to be. Let me know, guys, like, how you feel about these units, because I'm loving them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely be seeing you soon.